Okay, so before we talked about the concave mirror, and here we are talking about the convex mirror. So the convex mirror are diverging mirrors. For example, I have shown here the diagram. Look, this mirror is diverging the lines here, right? So as we talked about concave mirror, it was having 4 rules. So here we as well have the 4 rules. But before talking about the rules, let me tell you, here in convex mirror, the focus point, or you can say the focal length and center of curvature are on opposite side as compared to concave mirror. Right here, let me draw it first, then I can show you. This is the line, this is the mirror. As it is convex, so it is opposite of concave. Here is the principal axis, here focus point, and here is the center of curvature. So here you can see it is all opposite of concave mirror. So talking about the rules. So the first rule says us, first of all let me show you by diagram, then I'll be writing the definition here. This is the mirror, principal axis, focus, center of curvature. The ray of light which is parallel to principal axis, here this is ray of line, this is parallel to principal axis, right? After reflecting, it appears like when it reflects from here like this, so it would appear to be coming from the focus like this. Let me draw. Like from here it is coming, right? So let me write the definition here. Ray of light which is so here I have written down the definition, like the ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis here. After reflection, it would seem like it is coming from the focal, like the focus point, right? So talking about the second rule. Second, let me draw the diagram first. Here, this is mirror, principal axis, focal length, center of curvature, right? So the second rule say us the ray of light that is going toward the center of curvature. Let me draw first. Here the line that is going to the center of curvature is reflected along the same path. Like here if it's going, so here it will come back, just because here we have the 90-degree angle and it is perpendicular to this, so it will reflect back to the same angle. Writing down the definition, the ray of light Okay, so I write down the definition. The ray of light going toward the center of curvature. Here you can see this is center of curvature. It is going toward it of the convex mirror is reflected along the same path. Here you can see from where it is coming, it is going back to the same direction from the same path, right? Now talking about the third rule, that is, let me draw a diagram first. Here is the third rule. This is the mirror, principal axis, focal length, center of curvature. So the third rule say us the ray of line going toward the focus. Like here is the ray of line that is going, let's do it, toward the focus, right? Become parallel to the principal axis. Like here it is going, this is imaginary line and this is actual line. So here it become parallel to the principal axis. Like here this is principal axis and here it become parallel to it, right? So let me write it here. Ray of light sorry for the spelling, principal axis. Here I write down the definition. Here the ray of light going toward the focus, like here this is going to the focus, right? Become parallel to the principal axis. Here this is principal axis and it is parallel to this. So this is the third rule. And talking about the last rule, that is fourth rule. First we should go with the diagram. Convex mirror, principal axis, focus, center of curvature. So the like the fourth rule is easiest of all. It says the ray of light going toward the focus. For example, like here after the reflection, when it is going to the focus, it become parallel to the focus. The light is coming here to the principal axis, it goes along with the same angle, right? So what it was, it is the law of reflection. First law of reflection, that, and here it is incident ray or angle of incidence, reflected ray or angle of reflection. Here the angle of reflection like the incident ray is equal to reflected ray, right? So these are the four rules that are very important, very crucial for the convex mirror. So yeah, this is the topic for today.